The fiery furnace area of Arches National Park is absolutely outstanding. It is so beautiful and so rare. The trick is, though, to get a permit. Only 75 permits are allowed every day, and so they're available a week before you go, and so you pretty much have to be on the spot. Within 1 minute of the being available, then they're all taken. The drive-in itself of the park is absolutely stunning. I think this is the best entrance of a national park in the whole system. It is just towering red rocks, amazing views. Right up here you see the La Salle Mountains off in the distance. We're going to see it again in just a second here, which are just gorgeous. And this right here is the entrance to Park Avenue, which is very cool. Here's the courthouse towers, which are absolutely stunning. And there's just no end of views as you drive into the park. In a minute here, we're going to get to Balancing Rock, which is also a very neat place. It's a very common pullout. It's a very short hike, just about like 5 minutes. Anyone can do it. And from here, then we're going to make our way over to the fiery furnace itself. Now, I need to emphasize, the fiery furnace is not so much a trail as it is an area. And it's kind of a maze, and that's the point, is that there's these little tiny arrows every now and then to show you where to go, and you kind of got to find your way. Now, I was there with my family, and we together used some team building and some orienteering skills to try to find our way around, explore this, explore that, which made it so much fun. Definitely a unique experience in the park system. Now, as we walked in, it was pretty straightforward. It was easy to find the trail. Then right here, we got lost a little bit. It took us about 20 minutes to find our way into the furnace itself, which, like I said, is part of the experience. And then it was fairly straightforward going through here with a lot of obstacles that were kind of fun to overcome. Now, in this part right here, we spent an hour trying to find our way through. And we explored many dead ends, which was really a lot of fun. We saw all kinds of really neat features, and as a family we were trying to explore this and explore that, and then finally we made our way out. We were there about 4 to 5 p.m. It took us about 2 hours to get through. It was about right. It was absolutely stunning and well worthwhile. Here we go. Almost at the entrance. Little tiny arrows guiding us the way. I guess we're on track right now.
Oh, look how big that huge wall is. With that, we come out of the fiery furnace. Got lost.